Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing how to use the research annotation tool Mendeley to cite journal articles and to create a bibliography and a Microsoft Word document. The first step in this process is to save various journal articles to your Mendeley account. To save an article, simply locate the article within the web and click the Mendeley icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. When the menu opens and you see all of the information for your article, click Save. Once it has been saved, it will be located in your Mendeley library here. Now to create your in-text citations, open up a Word document and locate the References tab. Then choose Insert Citation. You can then locate the citation you want to add by typing in the author or title of the article. When it pops up, choose the one that matches the article you want to cite, and then select OK. The citation will be generated and inserted as an in-text citation. Now that in-text citations have been added to your paper, you can generate a bibliography. To do this, you will again go to the References tab and then choose Insert Bibliography. Within seconds, your entire APA-style bibliography references will appear. Congratulations! You now can use Mendeley to cite journal articles and create a bibliography.